Makadiaskan. Do panogaro sitting here pan.
Ah, manaka fanna sidno.
Ndimani. Ndawozosiya mwana wake. Zvokupedzerwa kunguva kumatarenda rambe.
Gogo. Madima uya namai vemwana uyu zvichida vaigona kutaurirana namukoma sidini.
Gogo vakunziyani?
Haiwa igona kutokwidzira izwiranya pasamba penyu panape.
Pamba penyu pano.
Imi, muri kuenda kupiwa muchisiya mwana wenyu muno.
Mukoma sidi chaiva.
Uyu ndiblasidza chaiye azongoshota ndebvu. Asi ndisidini uyu kauyu.
Kumiri yendiri kunzwa chiko nai chi. Ada, muchabvunza pano. Pano ndepe mafanizi ega ega. Pano panotonzi pamba pana gringo. Kumona nika rume kuchema uyu ndeupu.
Zvakaoma kani mama.
This is child abuse.
Baby
dumping. She might as well go to prison for this.
This
day and age. How can a mother just dump their own child? Kuona hasingazi. Mimi so mamchitambira mwana wacho mimi. Makamchitambira makamira zani mimi. Ndimwanani isanza renyenyo wanda zvikaita sezvokuti vamaungotora vana vese from nowhere uri ari kuita basa rekuunza vana pamapana pasocial welfare pana.
Serin, my boy, calm down.
Tell him, Daddy.
And look at this from both angles. You can report this woman to the police and she'll get arrested and she'll go to jail and you keep the baby. Or you keep the child and avoid this unnecessary drama.
Drama? We are made for drama in this film. Take it away.
Iwe,
Santi no get it.
Blast awantu.
Blast.
Washizire mwana we.
Mwana opi wa mukutaure baba kamwana kadauti toka mwana kashuka.
Mukunzwa. Sidni, uda kuzama kijasi. Uda kuzama kijasi.
Makatadza kurera mwana wedu. Kuswera muchimudzidzisa zvechibhure pana.
Yee.
Ure zvega zvega.
Uda kuita get nerere.
Urunza.
You're under my roof. This is my mother's house. Makawana kazvamaida. Ndikuenda kwatete. Ndawatorera murume atete nyamunyare. Munyari mutofara baba kuchinzi makapiwa mwana nemurume watete wenyu. Ndozvamaida. Makawadya kamai makagowanei. Makawanei.
Sleeping. She says had a very eventful day and she has had enough trauma for the day.
I don't want anything to do with that child.
The option is yours. Have you ever seen the girl?
No. And I don't want to.
Spitting image. Makango fanana. Inyaya mibude. Santi nongedzere nabokuza. Mary. This is grown-ups discussions now.
Yeah.
If you say so, hardly any grown-ups in them.
Iwe, unakurowa iwe.
Kana nenuwa ndadotoro wangu mwana. Iwe, chinyara rire.
Iwe, be responsible. Look after your child.
Cheche.
Hapana.
Monda, kutadza iwe kutadza kukontrola mwana uchazogona kontrola chindiudze. Chicho chogona kukontrola iwe. Ha? Uri baba rudzi iwe.
Maburo, we need to talk. Handidaitumira messages neshamwari dzako iwe haungosingamborespondi. Manje ndine nyaya kai.
That time iyoyo ndakuza ndiri busy ndipa basi.
Shamwari kai. Chitotsvaga hako nguva. Ndine nhumbu. Ndati mune nhumbu. Ungoramba wandidzokera ubva ushayika na shoko wandiri kutaura.
How?
Kuti haukudi. Handitaita.
Aiwa. Taitaya nguva yese vane. Uchiramba. Taitaya nguva yese.
Manje apa ukagohesa mabhuru. Nyaya iripo apa ndekutongoti chitsoka kumba kani mabhuru. Mabhuru.
Sadar babasa panapa. Nicho babasa panapa. Ayo kana. Sadar babasa panapa.
Newe pinda ka une mwana newe. Neusina unyari. Shosho rusia mwana achichema uko. Iropa rako Sydney. She is crying.
Iwe Chamwari, iwe. I don't care what the DNA says, Wanzwa. She might be my biological offspring, but she will never be my child, Wanzwa. Afe aketa mwana wangu.
Sydney.
Chigo. No. I don't have anything to give her.
All she wants is to be loved. Newe.
No, I don't know how to do that. How do I do it? How?
Mananga to mabayo.
I'm beginning to have serious doubts of having a child. Oh, well, that's what children do. No, Junior does not cry all the time. Anisha is so lucky to have a cute baby like you.
Cute baby. What do you know about babies? Nonsense.
Hello, good people.
Hello, doctor.
How are you?
Oh, we're well.
How is the baby?
That's what we're here to find out.
Thank you. All right, it's okay. Okay, what do you have? Yes, my friend. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Great. Thanks, doc.
Yes, nice.
Okay.
Thanks.
What are you doing after this?
Okay, as usual.
As usual?
Yes.
Okay, talk about it.
Good day.
Sure. Good day.
Okay.
So, doc, what did the test say?
Well, it's really confusing.
It's never a good thing when they start like that. Doctor, what's wrong with my son?
Well,
come on, man, spit it out.
Junior's results are confusing. I'll need to do extra tests and refer you to other doctors who also do their own testing, if you don't mind.
Doc, stop beating about the bush. What exactly are you saying?
It's really confusing. Like you said, Junior should be active. He should be walking and talking.
But what is wrong with him?
That's just it. It's like he just decided... It's like he is self-muting.
Wait. Are you saying my son is a mute?
No, not at all. Not at all. Junior can talk, but he's deciding not to. He can definitely emote and cry, but he's choosing not to.
Deciding not to? He is too.
Exactly.
That's the confusing thing. Well, we normally see this in older people who go through some traumatic or horrific incidents, and then they shut off from the whole world. But what is it that Junior has seen at this age? That's where I'm lost.
Thank you, Doctor. Let's go.